Good morning, good morning, good morning. Got the sun coming up. Look at that, right there. In Florida, Coach Michael Burt. I believe everybody needs a coach. Man, you can't see the picture when you're inside the frame. Good coach can change everything for you. Okay, so every morning, typically most mornings, I like to bring you what's called a morning rhythm or a morning drive. Tara, good morning to you. Amanda Beener, good morning to you. I'm at our house down in Florida, D. Hodges. And new week, finishing March. And we got a big message for you this morning, guys, which is what happens when it all comes together, man. What happens when you get some serious momentum in your life, and how do you build serious momentum in your life, right? And I'm going to tell you guys, Jay Cash, the only way that I know how to do it, and the only way that I know how to do it is just through daily, consistent actions that we take to get to the next frequency, right? Basically, what I'm telling you is the way you build momentum in life is you get up every day, and I call it chop wood and carry water. Right, Thomas Davidson? You be committed. And commitment means you see things through to their conclusion. And what happens is, over a cycle of time, you begin to build momentum, which is energy. What happens when it all comes together? You see, when you see a person out in the world that you think is doing well, they've created so much volume and so much energy, Christopher, and so much momentum in their life that it's just expanding. It's hard to explain. It's expanding, Johnny Chandler, in different directions because of the daily actions they've taken over a long cycle of time. And that's really what people struggle with, man, is they struggle with consistency. They struggle with confidence. They struggle with conviction. They struggle with short-term results versus long-term results. And what happens, James Neese, over a cycle of time, man, is just a sheer volume of taking action and taking action and taking action and taking action. Things begin to come together, and when things begin to come together, you begin to experience breakthroughs. And breakthroughs come in new people, right? Because you don't need more money, you need more people. Breakthroughs come in opportunities. It truly is that long obedience, Tony, in the same direction that I talk about. So let me put this into a formula for you, because for me, the only way I know how to do it is the way I do it, man. I get up every day and I focus on 4 things, okay? And I'm going to focus on those 4 things today. I'm going to call on new people, right? I'm going to try to get people who are interested across the finish line by just staying right there with them until they have a decision. I'm going to love on our top people, what I call our feeder systems, our channel accounts, our big people. And then I'm also going to plan something, a collaboration that introduces new associations, new concepts. So I want you to think about these series of actions you need to be taking every day. Every day, new people, trying to get people across the finish line, loving on your biggest people, planning some event to push people to in the future. Because, Arlene, I'm going to get your group this week. I'm going to get your group this week. Because this is how you build momentum. You build momentum. And when I was a basketball coach, Melanie Mayo, by stopping the other team and scoring. So you got to get a score. So I tell salespeople, man, get a score. Sell something. Sell a book. Sell a boot camp. Sell something to get some numbers on the board, right, Derek Fossey? Because a lot of my strategy is, man, let's get some numbers on the board. Let's get some energy on the board. Let's get something on the board. Let's get a good conversation on the board. Let's get something on the board that gives you a win, that gets you out there and gets you going every single day, right? And for some people, it's just getting up in the morning, and it's just getting going every morning, and it's just making a phone call every morning, and it's just getting in a rhythm every morning, and it's just following up every day. See, what I'm trying to do is I'm just trying to get you to understand the mindsets that build momentum. And mindsets that build momentum always come back to one thing: action. Daily, consistent, ongoing, systematic action. So remember the 4 people we should be calling today. Number 1, new people. Because you don't need more money, you need more people. Anything you can do to get in front of new people. I had Jay Kinder and Al Stasic down here, 2 top EXP guys. Man, they got a downline of 10,000 people. They got friends. They're highly respected. You need new people, man. You need new people. Then there's going to be people that indicate interest, right, Tom Love? There's going to be people that indicate interest. Those people need to be followed up with. to help them come to a decision, help them come to a conclusion. Then there's going to be big channel accounts and big people that are feeder systems for you. Then there's going to be events you need to be planning. Now, if you can do these 4 things every day, what's going to happen is over a long cycle of time, not a short cycle, a long cycle of time, you're going to begin to build a lot of momentum and a lot of energy in your life. And that momentum is just energy headed in a direction. So if you have bad momentum right now, it's an indicator that you don't have enough action. If you have no momentum right now, it's an indicator you don't take enough action every day. If you're trying to build some momentum, then it's a series of actions that you take every day, whether you feel like it or not. Because remember, amateurs listen to their feelings. Professionals do not listen to their feelings. So let's go. Let's have a great day. It's Monday. Let's finish March. Let's finish this quarter, man. Let's finish this quarter. You started it. Now let's finish it. Some people are going to take a week off. Some people are going to relax. Some people are going to lay off the push. You'd never see Coach Bird do that. Never, ever, 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 ever in a million years, man. I'm going to get up and do the 4 things I got to do every day to get a win. So I want to thank you guys. Good morning to you. Everybody needs a coach. Thankful to all the people that came down last week and spent the week with us, man. Incredible week. Let's go crush it this week.
Before I get started, there is one very important question I have to ask you.
Coach Michael Bird, Monster Producer Academy CEO. He's a personal friend of mine.
What good is it to have knowledge with no desire? What good is it to have desire with no skill? What good is it to have knowledge and skill with no confidence?
A big part of activating your prey drive is finding and refining your talent. This is something that helps you get to the next place.
People are made up of 4 parts: a body, a mind, a heart, and a spirit.
You need to know you, and then you need to have an awareness, and sometimes you don't even know what you need.
So all 4 parts of our nature have to be clicking. Your hard skill solves my problem. The bigger the problem, the more money people will pay to solve it.
Everything is valuable to your future. What I'm really paying you for is your past.
A monster producer combines multiple skills to dominate a market.
When you get to wake up every day and do what you love doing, man, it is hard not to be motivated.
They think at a higher ordinance than everybody else. They want to create new things.
I have a conviction about me, and that's the conviction that you feel when I talk, when I speak. It comes across as passion. You got to learn how to connect to another person at such a deep level that it moves them. You have goals, you have targets, but you don't have a sense of urgency.
They're going to exchange money, energy, they're going to raise capital, they're going to start new businesses, there's going to be joint ventures.
I think your purpose finds you. It is activated. The word activate means to initiate. Discipline, which is a derivative of the word disciple, which means to give yourself to a person or cause you believe in. Do you believe in your future, yes or no? When we know better, we do better. Finding the problem that you are uniquely qualified to solve, and you don't know what problem you really solve for whom, then there is no big financial exchange right there. You should leave here thinking bigger today than when you came. And I want to shake your hand and look you in the eyeball when you make this decision. Thank you. We'll see you in the back. God bless you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.